In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to reveal a clip in the project panel, which means quickly locating the original media file that a timeline clip is linked to. When working with large projects and multiple bins, it can be difficult to manually search for the exact clip inside the project panel. This method saves time. Let's begin. Go to your timeline and select the clip you want to locate. Now, right-click on that clip. From the menu, choose Reveal in Project. Immediately, Premiere will switch focus to the project panel and highlight the exact clip inside its bin. If the clip is inside a folder or bin, Premiere will automatically open it and show you the file. This is extremely helpful when you want to check file details, create proxies, replace footage, organize clips into bins. Instead of searching manually, you can locate the clip instantly. And that's it. You now know how to reveal a clip in the project panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.